On this bumpy beer tasting from Earth Eagle Brewings out of Portsmouth, New Hampshire, I have the Birds from Mars. So, Birds from Mars is a tropical IPA. It comes in at 5.1% ABV. This beer is 3 weeks old at the time of this tasting, and on the back it says T-minus 10 seconds and counting. You'll be propelled to the stars with this mix of Mosaic, Simcoe, and Zythos hops, and the fruity citrus notes of Norwegian Kveik yeast. All right. Zythos hops, I believe, give off, they can give off like pineapple notes and also some dank notes, as far as I can remember from those hops. So, Mosaic, those are usually in the citrus. They can be into the kind of pineapple to blueberry, sometimes even, depending on what you get in Simcoe. Generally kind of a piney and kind of citrusy type hop as well. So let's go ahead and see what I get out of this. I'm thinking it's going to be kind of on the pineapple, maybe a little bit of dank. That's my guess. Let's see how close I am. Okay, so this one has a kind of medium bubbled white head. The color of the beer itself is a kind of pale gold, very, very clear. See some carbonation bubbles streaming up through the center there. And let's get some aromas. Oh, yeah, lots of like actual grapefruit rind. Yeah, it's more on the grapefruit side. A little bit of like an orange citrusiness in there, but pretty big grapefruit. All right, let's go in for the first swig. Cheers. Okay. In the flavors, there's quite a bit of like a pine note. Tasting like a little bit of something like honey. Could be one of the malts that they used. But yeah, it's kind of a piney, honey-like flavor. A little bit of like a citrus zing in the background there, but yeah, not tasting grapefruit like I was smelling in the nose. This one doesn't actually seem very tropical either, but it's a decent enough IPA. It's got not super high bitterness. It's only 5.1% ABV anyways, so there's a bit of a bitterness to it, but it's not harsh. And kind of a crackery malt note with that honey, and kind of a bit of pininess and a little citrus bite at the end. I'm just gonna say it's a good IPA. I wouldn't really land this one as tropical, and I don't know why the hops are kind of coming off like this either. But maybe it's the yeast, the Kveik yeast. Maybe it's taking this in a whole nother direction. I don't know, but yeah, it's good. It doesn't match the description very well there, but anyway, this was the birds from Mars from the Earth Eagle Brewings. So thank you guys for watching, and cheers.